Ever wondered how coders collaborate on amazing projects from all over the world? It all starts with GitHub, the world's leading platform for version control and code sharing. In this super simple guide, I'll show you how to create your very own GitHub account in just a few easy steps. Whether you're new to coding or just curious, let's dive right in and get you set up. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. You'll see the GitHub homepage. Look for the Sign Up button and click on it to begin the process. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Choose an email you use regularly, as GitHub will send important notifications here. Once you've entered your email, click Continue. Now it's time to create a strong password for your account. GitHub will show you the password strength as you type. Make sure to choose a secure password that you haven't used on other sites. Click Continue when you're done. Next, you'll need to choose a username. This will be your unique identifier on GitHub, so pick something professional and memorable. GitHub will tell you if the username you prefer is available or not. If your first choice isn't available, try adding numbers or adjusting the name slightly. Click Continue once you found an available username. To ensure you're not a robot, GitHub will ask you to solve a quick verification puzzle. This is usually a simple image recognition task. Complete this puzzle and click Submit. After verification, GitHub will send a launch code to the email address you provided. Check your email inbox, grab the code, and enter it on the GitHub page. If the code is correct, you'll be automatically redirected to the login screen. Now, use the email and password you just created to log into your new GitHub account. Once logged in, GitHub will ask you a few questions to personalize your experience. These might include your programming experience level and what you plan to use GitHub for. Answer these questions to the best of your ability. Finally, you'll be presented with different plan options. For most beginners, the free plan is more than sufficient. It offers unlimited public and private repositories. Simply scroll down and click on Continue for free. Congratulations! You've successfully created your GitHub account. You're now part of a global community of developers and can start exploring the world of version control and collaborative coding. We'll be using this account when we create apps and games in future tutorials. In our next video, we'll explore how to use AI tools to create new projects and push them to GitHub. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to catch that tutorial. Happy coding and see you in the next video.